Thengi muno togo warike gutariria ni ati umuthi ni muthenya wa World International Radiography Day na ucio ni kuga ni muthenya wa huri a mbica thiini wa mathibitari kana thiini wa kana mathibitari kana session ciothe cia urigiti na guku ndi ni thiini wa thibitari ini wa Nyahururu ni Nyahururu County Referral Hospital na haha niho kaingi mbica kana nikuo mbica ihuragirwo no togo rona kwina andu mari haha meteire gutungatirwo na guku thiini nikuo mbica ikoragwo ikihonanirwo togo ratarike kuona maragitari makorwo mari waingi aya ni ataramu a matungata maya muthenyo mweno no ku mbica ithomagirwo kana atariria kana ahuria mbica haha niho moka gucithomera guku thiini ni kwa arwaru moka magatungatirwo kurorwo mathina maria mari na muthini wa mwiri mahindi mwiri na utogora kikona handi na ndagitari umwe ni ororo uramire ruhonge ruru hihi na karibu sana gukwa Inoro TV hihi no taririe muthenya wa muthi ni muthenya wa kina mukoragwo mugikate muthenya wa muthi.
Leo ni World Radiology Day. Okay. Kwa majina naitwa Dr. Mohoro Miriam, radiologist at Nyahururu County Referral Hospital. Today is the World Radiology Day, where we are celebrating the profession, the radiographers, the personnel who work in radiology, and their importance in healthcare, where the importance is in diagnosing, in treatment, and our theme is seeing the unseen, where we help the other clinicians seeing what they would not otherwise have seen. If it is a tumor, maybe they didn't know that this person has a tumor. That's the importance of radiology, where they can be able to see it and be able to help in diagnosis and in management. So that is the day to day, where we are celebrating the radiology and the importance in healthcare. Yes.
Pengine unaweza tueleza umuhimu wa siku ya leo, especially kwa kwenu nyinyi madaktari ni upi?
So umuhimu ni wa radiology ni profession. We are today ni kuonesha importance ya radiology na importance ya the personnel and radiology in the health system. Why is it important? It's the eyes, where nimesema kama conditions where the normal clinician cannot see, because that's why we are calling it unseen. That's why radiology is important.
Na pengine nini hasa wagonjwa ambao hufika hapa hawaelewi yale ambayo yanafanyika hapa?
So this department we have X-ray and we have ultrasound. So in X-rays, the X-ray inaonesha in case people who have fractures, in case you have infections like pneumonia, in case you have tumors like bone tumors. That's where we call importance ya radiology in terms of X-rays. Then we have ultrasound. So in ultrasound, inaonesha vitu kama when someone is pregnant, we monitor the fetus, kama anybody some like abdominal conditions, kama mtu akona vitu kama cirrhosis, things like that in diagnosis. So radiology is that, mainly in diagnosis and seeing what people with their normal eyes cannot see. Yes.
I can see around there are several equipments here. Maybe you can explain to us what are they for, what do they do? Maybe you can take us around.
So this is the X-ray machine. So now Indosa, which produces the X-rays. So sometimes like for chest X-ray, someone will tell the person to stay here. Then now we do the X-ray. We do the X-ray, then we have the imaging, then we'll see it over there. So this is actually the X-ray machine. And yes, that's what it does. So the other things were, yes, that's mainly it. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Ni undu wa mahinda otogo igwa ni ruthiomi ruritu rwa ndagitari na otogo arike gutari ni ati kiria mekaga o makorwo mari ritho ria mandagitari maria mangi guteithiriria kuona mirimu iria aria mangi matarahota kuona o ne mamihota guciona na kana kuona mirimu iyo makihitukira machini ici urona haha na ni undu wa mahinda ngohoya tukinye hau ni tafaria tuguthina mbere na kurumirira na ni tukumiheana na warari thiini wa mohoro maria maitu megukorwo makirumirira igongona riri ni hindi rambiriria na no tugugithina mbere na kumenyithia mwirori wa Inoro TV kiage guthina mbere gĩgũkorwo gĩkĩyumĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ wa World International Radiology Day. Na kuma gũkũ thibitarĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nyahururu gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia, niĩ njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.